the Bucket God, and we're going to be having 608 tokens opening the Wonderland pack. We're trying to play every pack. I already pulled the King and all that stuff. So, we're just going to check on Bucket. So yeah, let's look. Okay. Yeah, so we have 608 tokens. We're opening the... Where is it? I don't see it at all. Oh, Wonderland, right here. The Wonderland pack calculates 19% chance of a King of Hearts, but it says 0 King of Hearts. Because Bucket isn't accurate, so we may get it, maybe not. That's okay. If we don't, we'll try again tomorrow. Queen of Hearts. By the way, I have all of them except the legendary, so I'm trying to just get the legendary. Once we get the legendary, we can start opening breakfast. Caterpillar? Not bad. That's not bad at all. Not bad. 2 of spades. Nice. Queen of hearts. Dormouse. Hopefully we can pull it today. I've been trying to pull it for like weeks now. Because it's a 0.3. Please, hopefully we can pull, oops. Hopefully we can pull it. Hopefully. Oh, I thought we pulled it right there. Okay. Okay, nice, nice. Wonderland pack, don't fail us now, please. Eat me? Okay. That's not bad. I mean, it is because it's an uncommon. Oh, I thought we had pulled it right there. I thought. But we pulled the Queen of Hearts back there. Oh, now we're out of token. Let's see. So, we opened 600 packs. Not 600 packs, but like 600 tokens worth of the pack, the Wonderland pack. 1 Chester cat, I don't even know how to say that. 3 white rabbits, 1 caterpillar, 2 dormouse. Is it supposed to be spelled D-O-R or D-O-O-R? Comment down below how it's supposed to be spelled, okay? Drink me's. I wish there was a feature that you can enable and disable in the settings of Bucket, and that it sells like all your duplicates, like right away. Like you just open your books. Mad Hatter. Okay. So far, Bucket is not being correct. We've only pulled 1 Mad Hatter, which it's right, but it said 3 caterpillars. So we haven't pulled 3, we've only pulled 1. But that's okay. As long as we pull something good. Please. Come on. Mad Hatter? That's not bad. We're just aiming for the legendary. But eventually we will get it, I promise. I have the space pack already. I'm just trying to get every single pack. Like, not the chromas though. Not the chromas. Just like the legendaries, then we'll start aiming for some chromas. We pulled 2 Mad Hatters. Oh yeah, we did. So far it's wrong. It's the opposite way. 1 caterpillar and 2 or 3 Mad Hatters. Either one. We pulled 1 2 of spades. Wow. 263. Wonderland pack. Come on, come on. Queen of Hearts, eat me. Alice. Two of Spades, come on. Alice, no. Chester Cat. Chester Cat. Drink me. Alice. White Rabbit. Two of Spades. Yep, on a token. You probably should have noticed and would have known this by now, but the Wonderland pack is obviously based off Alice in Wonderland. You guys should have known that by now, but if you don't, now you know. 113. Come on, pull something good, please. Oh, I thought I pulled it right there. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out. Ooh, I wasn't paying attention. But like what I was saying, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out, please. Terribly missed. I thought I pulled it! Bro, I thought I pulled it. It froze. 2 waves, okay. And an uncommon. That's actually not that bad, so we can keep it going. I don't know why this week is ice cream themed, but that's okay. 53. So like what I was saying, there's like almost ice cream themed, like it's ice cream themed, but it's kind of not at the same time because of happy. I mean, you could be happy for ice cream, so like, yeah. Like, I'm going to say this for like the second time in this video. I'm going to say it one more at the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. It really helps. I just want to be a big content creator one day, and you guys are pushing it one step closer with subscribers. So thanks. Ooh, rare? Yes, nice. Thank you, White Rabbit. W. He's a Sigma. Let's go so I can keep opening. Yes, nice. I'm gotta pull it. Another White Rabbit! What? So like as you can see, the King of Hearts and there's a Queen of Hearts here. Eat me, not the best. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.